How to install Instagram app on Windows. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you install Instagram app on your Windows PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC or laptop. Alright, so after you open the Microsoft Store, you will got such interface. So from here, at the top of your screen, you'll have to just tap on the search field, and from here you'll have to just search for the application Instagram. Alright, so after you search Instagram, you can easily find the application Instagram. So simply you have to click on that app. Alright, so after you open the Instagram, you can easily find such interface. So from here, you'll have to click on the option install. Alright, so after the installation will complete, you can easily open the Instagram app on your PC or laptop, and from there you can easily log in with your Instagram ID and password, and from there you can easily open it. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.